These guys are building the super soldiers of 2030. Cool, but how come I don't know about it? If it was really all that, we'd know about it right now. So back to these guys. DARPA's not just kind of noodling around on the sides. They actually have a full-bore research project. It is global, it is interdisciplinary. It's called the Quantified Warrior. So forget your kind of quantified self meetups here in the Valley. These guys are building the super soldiers of 2030. And what they're doing is sort of alternately fascinating and horrifying depending on your point of view. Right? But there's something really interesting that's been going on. And Stephen talked a little bit about, there's 150 years of research. The last 10 to 20 years has been getting super interesting. And if I was in your seats, I'd be saying, okay, this sounds okay, cool, but how come I don't know about it? If it was really all that, we'd know about it right now. And there's actually a problem. There's a reason why we don't have this as shared working knowledge, which is really, how do we take information and translate it into motivation? Because as Stephen said, right, flow is autotelic. Flow has this massive neurochemical dump. It encodes and rewards us to do more of it. And if we could unlock that, intrinsic human motivation, what's possible next? Because these guys, right, the Special Operations Forces, Yale's working with Delta Force and the Rangers, right? Red Bull is working with the Coronado SEAL Team 6, right? These guys are getting way into the fine details, but they are explicitly disincented to share this knowledge, right? One of them wants to stay a step ahead of the bad guys, and the other guys want to step up on the podium, right? So what they've been learning has not been shared yet. And that's certainly part of our mission, is to actually take this extreme, the folks who risk their lives for a living, and bring it more into the mainstream. Bring it to impact entrepreneurs. Bring it to communities of innovation where we can harness the same rocket fuel.